This video will show you how to inform your students of your test. After your test has been set up, let your students know when the test will be, what it will cover so they can study, and most importantly, where they need to go to access it. The best practice is to make an announcement containing this information. To create an announcement, go to the announcements section of your course. Then click Create Announcement at the top. I've already pre-typed a good example of an announcement, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it in. To begin, put in a relevant subject. This is what the students will see in their email and post it on here. Make sure that it's relevant to the exam, and it has a date on it. In a body, you want to mention what the test will cover. You also want to mention when the test will start and where to go to access the test. In our example, the test will cover chapters 1, 2, 5, and 7. The test will be available on April 30th at 8 a.m. The students will be able to see the exam in the assessments and rubrics over here, area of the course. So at 8 a.m., students should go there and click on the words Final Exam April 2020 and then click Begin to start their test. And then finally, information about the test. There will be 20 questions and students will have 30 minutes to complete it. It's also a good idea to provide instructions for students on when they can see the test results and how. I've also pre-written these. We're telling the students that they'll be able to see their grades starting May 2nd at 10 a.m. That can be a setting that we set up in our test options. At or after 10 a.m. on May 2nd, what the students can do is click on the My Grades area of their course, and then from here, click on the name of the exam, and then click under Calculated Grade to expand the test details. Note that students will only be able to see their results after the options you have selected within the test options under Show Test Results and Feedback to Students section. Let's take a quick peek into what students would see if they have taken this test. I've added myself as a student to this course and gone to the My Grades section. In My Grades, the student will be able to see that they submitted this test. They haven't gotten a grade yet, but they can still click on the name of the test, and they can click under Calculated Grade to view more information. The reason that the student hadn't received a grade yet is because this test contains some short answer, essay, or file upload questions. Let's go back to our announcement. After you've crafted the message in your announcement, scroll down and click Email Announcement, send a copy of this announcement. This is extremely important to make sure that all students get an email with your announcement information. If you don't click this box, then your students will not receive an email. Once this is done, click Submit, and the announcement will be posted. All of the students in your class have been sent an email with the text of this announcement. Remember, if your test has any short answer, essay, or file upload questions, make sure to grade this before making it available to students, because they won't be able to see these until you grade them. Our next video will cover how to view your students' results and grade your test.